whether you get the correct answer. Final answer should be that. Okay, if you have the numerator expanded, you get this one also fine. Okay. Okay. Any questions? Did anybody not get an answer? So everybody can do? Okay. So please take note, alright? You cannot actually cancel this and this like that. Okay? Because this 2x squared minus 1 is only multiplying 4. It's not multiplying the whole expression on the numerator. It is unlike how we did this cancellation over here, whereby it is actually multiplying this part here. Okay, that's why the cancellation is allowed. Alright, so please be careful in algebraic working. Okay. Right, now let's look at try 15. Right, they have scaffolded in some ways for you. Okay, so in part 1 they ask you to differentiate square root 2x minus 1, okay, with respect to x. So in order to differentiate this, okay, square root 2x minus 1 is actually 2x minus 1 to the power of half. Then you use the power rule. So bring down the power, minus 1. Then differentiate the inside. Okay? So you would actually be getting your derivative to be this. Okay? After that, in part 2, they want you to differentiate this, whereby the derivative that you should get would be this. So it is common that in your differentiation question, okay, when there is an algebraic fraction involved, usually how the question will be set is that they will actually specify the form, okay, that your answer should be. So in this case, you need to actually show this as your answer. Okay, they'll either ask you to show or they ask you to actually differentiate into a particular form, whereby they may not give you the numbers, they just represent it with a constant, okay, like a and b. Yes, so they will tell you specifically how your answer should be. Okay, usually that is the case, right? But we should actually practice it in that manner also to keep it as simple as possible. Okay, because sometimes after that, when we learn about different applications of differentiation, right? Okay, having it compact like that would actually be better for our rest of the work. Okay, so in order to differentiate this, likewise we use our quotient rule. Okay, so we will keep the bottom, differentiate the top. Then after that, keep the top, differentiate the bottom, which we have already done so in part 1. So don't differentiate again. Just take the answer that you have done in part 1. Okay. and then after that, the denominator itself would be 2x minus 1 square root square, so therefore it is only left with 2x minus 1. Okay? So at this point here, it might get a bit algebraically challenging depending on how strong you are. Okay, so this one we simplify, we'll get negative square root 2x minus 1. Then after over here, you could write it into a fraction. Okay. I don't suggest that you squeeze all this into one single line of your full step now. Okay. Then after that, we need to simplify the numerator. Okay. Then after that, our denominator, make it into a single fraction. Okay. If you find that it's a bit confusing like that, what you could do is that instead of writing it into a fraction, okay, just put divide by 2x minus 1 now. Right, so that might actually help a bit. Yeah.
Should it be 1 plus x or 1 minus x?
Sorry, 1 plus x. Minus what? This is full bracket.
1 minus x or 1 plus x?
1 minus x. Alright, right? 1 minus x. Yeah, 1 minus x. You think that this minus has to go in, huh? Why do you think that this 1 plus x? This 1 minus x is correct. Okay. So then after looking at this part on the left over here, we need to combine it into a single fraction first. Okay, so that will actually give us negative square root 2x minus 1 multiplied with square root 2x minus 1. Okay, then after that minus away 1 minus x over square root 2x minus 1. Okay, then after that we divide by 2x minus 1. Okay, up till here is everyone algebraically sound? Anybody already found it algebraically challenging up to this step? Okay, so then after that you will get negative 2x minus 1 because this is square root, then you remove the square root already lah. Right, so minus away 1 plus x over square root 2x minus 1, so divide by 2x minus 1. Okay, so simplify whatever you keep having here first. Okay, so actually divide by 2x minus 1 refers to times 1 over 2x minus 1, right? Okay. Yep.
The plus x become a minus x.
Oh.
Plus x minus x.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So everyone following up here. Then after that, right? Okay. This is 2x minus 1, this is 2x minus 1. Okay, rather this is 2x minus 1 to the power of half. This is 2x minus 1 to the power of 1. So numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So that means this will simplify to be 2x minus 1. Okay, wait, sorry, the question wants that, right? Then we will keep to that. Okay, so we will then be able to show it to this stage. Okay, because this is what the question wants you to show, right? Any questions? Okay, if no questions, I think you all still need some more practice. Okay, so I want you to do question 2C and 2E, right? them now. Okay, of exercise 14.4. Okay, question 2C and 2E. Alright, they did not specify the form, okay, but essentially simplify into a single fraction.
Then after still need to differentiate two vectors together.
Mm-hmm.